Hey there, welcome back to After School Psychology. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both an art and a science, flattering women. Whether you're looking to impress someone special or just want to spread good vibes, these tips will help you master the art of giving compliments that make a lasting impression. 1. The vague compliment. The vague compliment is a powerful tool in your arsenal for making women feel special and appreciated. The beauty of a vague compliment lies in its ambiguity, allowing the recipient to interpret it in the most flattering way possible. This type of compliment engages her imagination and lets her fill in the blanks, which can be incredibly impactful. For example, you have a lot of animal magnetism. This phrase taps into the idea of an alluring, intangible charm that goes beyond physical appearance. Every woman likes to believe she possesses a unique, captivating quality that draws others to her. Another effective vague compliment is, "You're really something special." This statement is intentionally broad and can be interpreted in many positive ways. It suggests that you see her as unique and extraordinary without tying the compliment to any specific attribute. By leaving the specifics up to her imagination, you allow her to internalize the compliment in a way that feels most flattering to her. Use this approach to create a sense of intrigue and admiration, making her feel genuinely appreciated for who she is. 2. Complimenting her age. Complimenting a woman on her age can be tricky, but when done correctly, it can make her feel youthful and vibrant. The key is to approach the topic with sensitivity and genuine surprise. Women often worry about aging, so acknowledging her age in a flattering way can be incredibly uplifting. For example, if the topic of her age comes up, express genuine astonishment. "No way, I thought you were much younger." This reaction not only compliments her appearance, but also her energy and vitality. It's a subtle way of saying she defies the expectations associated with her age. Another thoughtful compliment could be, "You must be younger biologically than chronologically." This phrase implies that she not only looks young, but also has the spirit and health of someone younger. It acknowledges her efforts to maintain a youthful appearance and lifestyle. By focusing on the positive aspects of her age and expressing genuine surprise, you can make her feel appreciated and admired for her timeless beauty. This approach shows that you notice and value her youthful qualities, boosting her confidence and making her feel special. 3. The power of comparison. Comparisons can be a powerful form of flattery. Telling a woman that she's good-looking is nice, but saying she's better looking than someone else, especially someone known for their beauty, is far more impactful. The key here is to create a sense of competition and victory. If she mentions a colleague who won an award, downplay it by saying, "That's just politics, you know you're more talented." If she has a rival, compare her favorably. "Jessica thinks she's smart, but she's not in your league." If no obvious rivals exist, use yourself as a benchmark. You're way more organized than I am. To maximize the effect, use superlatives. Don't overuse them, but be selective. "She's not just a good cook, she's the best you've ever met." "She's not just smart, she's the smartest person you know." These comparisons, especially when credible, will make her feel exceptional and valued. Remember, the goal is to make her feel like she's in a league of her own and ensuring your compliments stand out and make a lasting impression. 4. You're the only person I know who. Complimenting a woman by highlighting her uniqueness can make her feel extraordinarily special. This type of compliment shows that you notice and appreciate the qualities that set her apart from everyone else. For example, you could say, "You're the only person I know who can light up a room just by walking in." This not only compliments her presence, but also suggests that she has a rare charm. Another example could be, "You're the only person I know who can make me laugh even on my worst days." This shows that her sense of humor and positive impact on your life is unparalleled. If she has a unique talent or trait, mention it specifically. "You're the only person I know who can tell stories that are so captivating." This kind of compliment makes her feel recognized and valued for her distinctive abilities and character, boosting her confidence and making her feel truly special. 5. Let her in on a secret. Women love feeling included and trusted, so let her in on a secret now and then. This act makes her feel special and part of your inner circle, a place anyone would love to be. Most secrets aren't that intriguing, but when framed as secrets, they become much more exciting. Begin by swearing her to secrecy, making her promise not to tell anyone. This immediately piques interest. Then, lower your voice, even if no one else is around. This adds weight and intrigue to your secret. If you lack actual secrets, share a suspicion or an observation. "Don't tell anyone, but I think the boss is planning a surprise reorganization." Such comments make you seem insightful and connected. Eventually, she'll see you as a source of interesting information and value your conversations more. Just remember, the key is in the delivery. Make it personal, intriguing, and exclusive. 6. Her intelligence. Everyone likes to think they're smart, and women are no exception. Complimenting her intelligence can be incredibly flattering. Say something like, "You're one of the smartest people I know." This works because most people, regardless of where they fall on the IQ scale, like to believe they possess superior intelligence. If she deflects and downplays her smarts, insisting her grades weren't great, respond with, "I'm not talking about book smarts, I mean real-world intelligence." Highlighting street smart shows you value her practical wisdom over academic achievements. If she makes a clever remark, react with, "I wish I had thought of that." Even mundane observations can be turned into moments of brilliance by saying, "You're really insightful. Like Sherlock Holmes, you see what others miss." Make her feel sharp and perceptive without overshadowing her with your own knowledge. This way, she feels admired and intellectually valued. 7. Unique style recognition. Recognizing a woman's unique style is about appreciating her individuality and the distinct way she presents herself. This type of compliment acknowledges her personal taste and effort to stand out, making her feel seen and valued. For example, "You have a really unique sense of style." This broad compliment allows her to interpret it in various positive ways, whether she thinks of her fashion choices, her taste in accessories, or her overall demeanor. To make it more impactful, be specific. "That dress really shows off your unique style." This shows that you are paying attention to the details and genuinely appreciate her effort to express herself uniquely. Another way to phrase it could be, "Your style is so refreshing. It's like you have your own fashion language." This kind of compliment works because it's sincere and acknowledges her individuality, making her feel special and appreciated for who she is. 8. Highlighting her personality. Complimenting a woman's personality can be deeply impactful, as it shows you appreciate her for who she truly is, beyond physical appearances. This type of compliment reassures her that her character and inner qualities are what make her special. For example, "You're really a decent person, aren't you? I can always tell. I'm a good judge of these things." This not only compliments her character, but also subtly suggests that you have a discerning nature, which further validates the compliment. Another way to highlight her personality is by acknowledging her moral compass. "You really do have a strong moral compass, don't you?" This suggests that you see her as someone with integrity and strong ethical values. Women often appreciate being seen as good, decent human beings, and such a compliment goes a long way in making her feel valued and respected. By focusing on her personality, you're showing that you appreciate her deeper qualities, which can build a stronger emotional connection and make her feel genuinely admired. This approach emphasizes her inner beauty and reinforces her positive self-image. That's it for today's video. Remember, the key to flattering a woman is sincerity. These tips are tools to help you express genuine admiration and make those around you feel fantastic. Try them out and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to After School Psychology for more tips on dating and self-improvement. See you next time.